Hey guys, welcome back to the Shinobi Income YouTube channel. Today I'm going to be showing you how you can buy your first NFT if it's something you're interested in. So the first thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to head over here to MetaMask. There's a lot of different wallets you can get, but you're going to need a wallet obviously. And I mean MetaMask is a pretty good one. A lot of people use this one. It's pretty secure, so this is a really good one. The next thing you're going to want to do is you're going to want to come over to an exchange. For this example, I'm going to be showing you like Gemini is the one that I use, so that's why I have this up here. I mean, they have a nice earn program. They have the Gemini credit card, just came out. I mean, Gemini is a really good one. It's definitely the most secure exchange. And I mean, look at like earn, like they have a really good earn program. And so I really like this one. And they have their own NFT marketplace, which is Nifty Gateway. Um, I'll be showing you that in a second, but obviously if you are going to be buying an NFT, I have to go over OpenSea because OpenSea is um, the largest NFT marketplace, and they've got a lot of great ones on here. It's really nice. I've bought some NFTs off of here. It's a really nice it's a really nice marketplace. And then obviously the other one I'm going to talk about is Nifty Gateway because Gemini owns them. Um, they have a really good program too. I mean, you could save up to 75% on gas fees, which is really nice, especially if you're buying more expensive NFT, which will have higher gas fees. So yeah, I would definitely recommend checking both of these out because I don't know where you'll find the NFT you're interested in, but if I mean, if you can find it on Nifty Gateway, it might be a good option, but you'll definitely have more options if you look over on OpenSea. They definitely have more NFTs over here. So that's it for the video today, guys. I hope you enjoyed. I hope this helps you get your first NFT. Um, yeah, so I mean, if you sign up, you get $7 in Ethereum, which is good because that's what you need to be able to buy your first but to be able to buy NFTs or Solana, whatever one you want to use. There's a lot on Ethereum right now. I mean, Solana's got a some pretty nice NFTs too. And then yeah, you just put it in your MetaMask wallet and then you can start buying some NFTs. I hope you enjoyed the video. Give it a like and follow for more.